Once again, welcome to all. Let's see the information about top air purifying and highest oxygen generating plants. Air quality in our surroundings is worsening, especially in cities. There are many reasons for this decline in air quality, like pollution from vehicles, industries, stubble burning, and construction. We can try to minimize the exposure. One way to do this is by placing some air purifying indoor plants inside your house, office, and other spaces. NASA also recommends air purifying plants that you must have in your house. Before getting to the solution of the problem, let's first look what are the some of the components that make the polluted air inside your home or office space. Some of these components are benzene, carbon monoxide, formaldehyde, ammonia, trichloroethylene, etc. These compounds and gases mixes with the air present inside our homes and offices. So we can use some plants to minimize the harmful effect on our health. So let's start with the first plant to keep in our home. Money plant. This plant is also known as pothos, golden pothos, devil's ivy, hardy indoor foliage plant. Money plants are ideal for removing airborne pollutants from indoor air. As money plants give out oxygen even at night, this makes them that much more feasible and valuable, placing them in your living room and bedroom. It acts as an anti-radiator. Money plant can be planted in both water and soil. The money plant prefers indirect light and needs to be watered every week. One thing to keep in mind is that if you are growing it in water, the water must be changed every week. In our list, the next plant is snake plant. This plant is also known as St. George's sword, mother-in-law's tongue, and viper's bowstring hemp. This plant is unique for its nighttime oxygen production and ability to purify air through the removal of benzene, formaldehyde, trichloroethylene, xylene, and toluene. Just like money plant, snake plant too give out oxygen at night. In addition, if you are a bit careless, do not worry. Snake plants don't need extensive care and can survive without water for days. So moving towards the next beautiful plant in our list is Erica palm. The common names of this plant are golden cane palm, yellow palm, and butterfly palm. It is one of the best tropical leafage plant, easy to grow and cleans the indoor air as well. Erica palm improves air humidity. According to the NASA Clean Air study, Erica palm can help in the reduction of indoor pollution by breaking down compounds such as acetone, xylene, formaldehyde, and toluene, resulting in pollution-free air to breathe. The plants with more surface area of leaves can produce more oxygen, and Erica palm is one such plant. Two Erica palms in 100 square feet area can increase the oxygen level indoors. If you are keeping the plant indoors, provide bright indirect light. Avoid exposure to direct, harsh sunlight as it can burn the foliage. Since it is a tropical plant, keep the soil slightly moist. Avoid growing it in an overly large container and maintain its size by pruning. The next plant to purify the air is aloe vera. The common names of this plant are Barbados aloe, aloe vera, true aloe, burn aloe. This is one of the top indoor air purifying plant. Best suited for bathrooms as it can survive in low light and humid conditions. We know that the gel inside its leaves are used to heal cuts and burns, and also people use it to moisturize their skin. But little did we know that aloe vera is found to be effective in purifying the air as well. Aloe vera is very easy to grow but require light as it requires watering once in a 3 weeks and during winters once in a month. This makes it a good choice for people who do not possess a talent of garden keeping. This plant removes benzene and formaldehyde from the air, and like the two plants mentioned above, this too releases oxygen during the night. Moving to our next plant, peace lily. The common names of this plant are Spathiphyllum, spathe flower, white cells. The peace lily is a beautiful plant and one that can improve your indoor air quality by as much as 60%. It is one of NASA's best known cleansing plant for removing common household toxins. It like aloe vera, this plant too cleanses the air of benzene and formaldehyde, thereby cleaning up our breathing space. An easy to grow plant with pretty white flowers. It's amongst the super air purifying indoor plants and cleanser that is able to effectively remove indoor pollutants emitted by electronics, furniture and other household items. Peace lilies need consistently moist soil. Peace lily prefers to have medium indirect sunlight. Water your peace lily thoroughly once the top half of the potting soil is dry. In our list, the next plant is spider plant. This plant is also known as Chlorophyllum comosum, spider ivy, ribbon plant, aeroplane plant. The spider plant is commonly found house plants and is one that is really easy to grow. Within just 2 days, this plant can remove up to 90% of the toxins in your indoor air. The leaves grow quickly and help to absorb harmful substances like mold and other allergens, so it is the perfect plant for those who have common dust allergies. It also helps to absorb small traces of formaldehyde and carbon monoxide. If you have pets, this is one of the few house plants that are non-toxic to animals. Spider plant too does not require a lot of care and are perfect for people who do not have a green thumb. Water them when the soil has dried out and keep them away from direct sunlight, and the plant will take care of rest. Moving to our next plant, Boston fern plant. Common names of this plant are sword fern, Boston sword fern, wild Boston fern, Boston bluebell fern, and fishbone fern. Boston ferns can grow well both in indoor and outdoor conditions. The Boston ferns not only spruce up the indoor air quality but also improve the humidity levels by restoring moisture to the air naturally, which gives a soothing effect. The air purifying properties provide relief to people suffering from dry skin, dry noses, and sore throats. Remember to keep your Boston fern in direct sunlight and mist the leaves with water regularly. Heartily thanks to all for watching this video.